The biggest reason why most people fail to perform is they are just so stuck in the how and the what so that they do not know how to get there. The biggest reason why most people fail to perform is two. One is they have not answered the question yet. They don't know what to do. They don't have the answer for the question. Or number two is they are just so stuck in the how and the what so that they do not know how to get there. Today, I just want to give you a really short clip because I'm attending a lot of amazing, juicy classes so that I can train all my VAs and my business owners for it, right? The key is it's really not about the how, it's really about the who. So what do I mean by that? In my world, right, I am no longer organized, right? I'm no longer organized. I don't know. Maybe I'm just never organized. I don't know. You know, I have a lot of the people that I hired that are grown to be organized. So then I hired them so that they can be organized for me. So in a way, I don't have to be organized. Like a lot of time right now, I just use my cell phone. I put it on my WhatsApp and just say, hey, do this for me, do that for me. Can you save this in a Dropbox? Can you do this recording for me? Do this, do that, whatever. And then save it into the folder that I want it to be set. And that is exactly what they do. So again, it's about the who, not about the how. Because if you tell me that I need to do Trello board, I need to do Excel spreadsheet, I'm going to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Because that is not me anymore. At least not me anymore. When I was a manager leader, when I was like just working in the office and not a business owner, I can do all that. Don't get me wrong. But right now, that's no longer me. And I know most of my clients, man, I don't know about technology. Telling us right now we're going live to you through StreamYard. I don't know how to use StreamYard, but again, amazingly, we have Romel, who is in the back, and he helped me with all the StreamYard control. He just created this beautiful intro. I hope you guys like it. I was like, oh my goodness, that is really amazing. But if you ask me to do it, it's going to take me a million years. Does it kind of make sense? So again, it is really about the who and not the how. I wanted to maybe give you some example. So in that way, you would know, because one of the things that my friend always tell me is that, hey, Phyllis, you think that everybody know what you do, what you know. I said, I do, because I know everybody else is smarter than me. You get what I'm saying? And he's like, no, it is not true, because you do it every single day. So you thought it is very simple and easy. But the truth is, it is not as easy and it is not as simple. Does it kind of make sense? So what do I really do? I create freedom. I just learned this from Business Mastery with Tony Robbins. And again, if you're a business owner, you have not attended Business Mastery yet, strongly suggest that you attend because it covers so much things. And you are just going to bring a lot of to-dos to make that happen. So again, you just want to figure out what is your tagline, right? So my tagline is, I'm here to create freedom. I'm here to create freedom for my business owners, with people who work with us. I'm teaching them how to leverage, by teaching them how to fully utilize the VAs, fully teach them how to build that relationship. So that when they review and discover that, man, we can get loyalty, we can get resourcefulness, they really think like you, they can duplicate you, that will be amazing.